Is it her nature, or is it her will, to be so cruel to an humbled foe? If nature, then she may it mend with skill; if will, then she at will may will forgo. But if her nature and her will be so that she will plague the man that loves her most, and take delight to increase a wretch's woe, then all her nature's goodly gifts are lost. And that same glorious beauty's idle boast is but a bait such wretches to beguile, as being long in her love's tempest tost, she means at last to make her piteous spoil. O fayrest fair, let never it be named, that so fair beauty was so foully shamed.